with another YouTube video. What's up? Get it started. Hey, alright, today we're gonna be role playing as Chubby GG. His first name is Chubbs. His last name is GB. Chubby GB. Or not Chubby, Chubbs. But I hope y'all enjoy. Oh. Whoa, shit. Oh. What the where'd your car go, sir? What the Oh shit, we're getting sketchy in this red G. Oh, we almost just died. We almost side whipped that nigga. Oh, what the hey, what the? It's my twin brother. Twin brother don't like me. Damn, we moving fast. We're weighing 6,600 pounds. 6,000 Allah. 600 pounds. I'm surprised this doctor isn't beeping and popping the tires, bud. What's up, bud? Oh, that's my twin brother. What are you doing, Bobby? God damn it, Bobby. God damn it, Bobby. You killed my twin brother, Charles. What the fuck? Get up, Charles. Wait, no, don't leave it. Oh, what are you? Yeah. Oh, what the my bad, brother. I was trying to run over this fool that was trying to kill you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, fuck. You gonna kick my ass and kill me though? I done fucked up his golf cart. You son of a bitch. Yo, chill out, Carl. Or Bobby. Chill out, Bobby. It was my bad, Bobby. I mean to, Bobby. Hey, bud. Let me borrow that car real quick. Now, what you say about that car real quick? I'm just a chubby county boy. And borrow that. Oh, shit. That's a nice motherfucking Jeep. Oh, I'm still here. Just fuck you, bitch. I'll see you later. Oh, what the fuck? You just hit my car that's not even mine, bro. What the heck? You know what? Fuck up this car. I don't even care. Yeah, get him. Not on my screen. Not on my screen. How did I end up in this car? What the fuck? Was I not just driving the blue one? I'm so confused. Oh! God damn it. You good, fam? Oh, you need to get back to school. Yo, chill out, bro. What you doing? Yo, get out of here, Baka. He gonna kill you. Oh, shit, he's chasing me. I'm gonna kill you, bitch. Oh, shit. Baka got a gun. Go, 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 go. You got a gun. You got a gun. Baby, I made my point deep on me. Oh, that was too squeaky out of character. My bad. Yo, what in the fuck? Yo, what's going on here? I can't make the voice I was making earlier. YouTube fans. Oh, I got your back, bitch. Whoa, yo, what the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Oh, shit. Goddamn tree. Whoa. Hey, Bobby. What's up, Bobby? I'm gonna hop in your car, Bob. What? Why is there Armored Karuma back there? He's all that shit, Bobby. Yo, what happened to your hair, Bobby? Yo, what's going on? What's going on? Why is everything shaking? What the fuck? Everything almost out. Oh, shit. It's a guy again. Yo, Bobby, get in the car, Bobby. Yo, bitch. Oh, thanks for the car, motherfucker. I see you later. Wait, that's Bobby's car. What you doing? Get out of Bobby's car. That's my friend's car. I'm gonna fuck your car up. Wait, that's my friend's car. Oh, get back here, motherfucker. Bobby. Tell him, Bobby. Oh, what the? Don't tell his car, Bobby. What are you doing, Bobby? What are you doing, Bobby? You're gonna get ass. You're gonna get ass. You're gonna get shot. Oh shit, Bobby, there's a cop behind me. Oh, I'm gonna get. Oh no. Leave me alone. Hey, officer, you gotta be here. This is private property. Get the fuck out of here. Private property. What the fuck? Yo, not in the pool. What the fuck? Are you on crack, bud? Bobby, what the fuck is wrong with this guy? What the fuck? 1 second. We'll be right back. Sit. Alright, guys. We're back. Well, my bad.
Look this way. Okay, so we're looking for 2 new bikes that one of our neighbours got. We're just going to steal them.
What do you mean, Bobby?
Bikes down in Sandy Shores, so...
No, Bobby, we can't steal his car, Bobby.
Look at the property that we have, though. You can come out and you can see the vinyl sign. Yeah.
Oh shit, vinyl sign. You saw that, Bobby? What are you doing about, Bobby?
Oh, damn, you just drove straight in.
Oh, that's a tree, Bobby. I'm gonna borrow that bike, alright, Bobby?
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit, Bobby, we gotta go. Oh, fucking shit, Bobby. The fucking hurt, Bobby.
I survived. The bike's alive. Damn, I've got to say.
What do you mean, Bobby? You didn't even go off the damn thing, Bobby. What do you mean the bike's alive, Bobby? Stop ignoring me, Bobby.
That is pretty insane.
That's my foot, my bad.
Hey, listen, Bob.
Oh.
I think this was placed here for a reason. Now let's get these things out of the way.
Bobby, let's do it, Bobby.
At this jump full speed.
Whoa, who, Bobby? Let's go, Bobby. Let's go, Bobby. We're gonna go, Bobby. Right, Bob? Let's go, Bob. You gonna do it, Bob? Bobby, that's dangerous, Bobby. Yeah, no. Bobby! No, Bobby! Bobby! What the fuck, Bobby? Oh, he's alive. I guess I'd do it. Alright. We're gonna try it. I'm coming for you, Bobby. Oh shit. Oh shit. Here we go, Bobby. I'm coming. Oh. How is my bike still standing? My brains are all over the wall. Oh.